大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with Ying Ying. This is our 15th lesson of the series, Learn Chinese Characters with Pictures and Stories. Although it's a new lesson, it's a very good chance for us to review what we have learned in previous lessons. Look at these 5 words. Do you remember them? So, in this lesson, we are just needed to learn one new word. That is 门. It means door. And just put a door outside of each word. We have 5 different words. And the meaning of them is just the meaning of door plus the meaning of like each individual one. We have the new word. Well, let's dive in. You will know what I'm talking about. So the first word we are going to learn is 门. 门. It means door. So it's quite easy to remember it. So it's the shape is just the shape of the door. And this dot means, well, the door is flexible. You can open it, you can close it. So the dot here means, well, it's flexible. So this is 门. It means door. So let's write the word together. So remember our writing rules. It's like from the top to bottom, from the left to right. So the door is top to bottom, left to right. Okay, this is 门. 门, it means door. The next word we are going to learn is 问. 问. It means ask. So it's a mouth inside of the door. So can you imagine this when you are standing outside of someone's house, in front of the door, and you want to check if there's anyone inside or not. So you ask, hello, is anyone inside? So it's like a mouth inside the door. It means ask. So let's write it together. The same writing rule. The door and just a mouth inside. It means ask. So this is 问. 问. It means ask. The next word we are going to learn is 闲. 闲. It means not busy. Do you notice it's a tray inside a door? So when you have a tray or plants inside of the door and you have the time to take care of this kind of plants and the trays, it means, well, you are not busy. So a tray inside of a door, it means not busy. So this is the word 闲. So let's write it together. The same, we write the outside first, then the inside, a tray. So a tray inside a door, it means not busy. And it is pronounced as 闲. 闲, not busy. And the next word we are going to learn is 闷. 闷. Well, one of the meaning is chest tightness. So you can say a heart is locked inside the door. So when your heart is locked inside of a door, it means, well, you feel low and you have a tight chest. So a heart inside of a door, it means one of the meaning is chest tight. So let's write it together. The door and a heart inside. So it means chest tight, and the pronunciation of it is 闷. 闷. And the next word we are going to learn is 闪. 闪. It means one of the meaning is evade. So do you notice it's the door and a person inside of a door. So when you lock yourself inside, it's kind of you evade somebody. So one of the meaning is evade. So this is a door. A person inside a door. It means evade. So this is 闪. 闪. It means evade. The next word we are going to learn is 闯. 闯. It means break into. So do you notice it's a horse inside of a door? So someone is like riding a horse and break into your house. So that is, it means break into. So steal the door, and inside is a horse. So a horse inside of a door, it means break into. And the pronunciation of it is 闯. 闯. So these are the words we learned today. It's just the combination of the word 门 and with the other words we learned before. So if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to track your own learning, please click the video in the end of this lesson or the link in the description box. I hope this lesson was helpful. There are more lessons coming in this series. I'll upload the video resources weekly, so be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。